Hello everyone, myself Big Vijay Rangwal. Today's Viva topic is iterative statement in a Java. In Java, iterative statement is a many use of iterative statement. There are four types of iterative statements in a Java. First is a for loop, then while loop, do while loop, and then a for each loop. The the for loop is a mostly used loop in Java. The for loop in Java is completed way to iterate over range of values of a collection such as arrays. Its syntax consists of three parts: initializing, condition, and update. Here the typical structures means for loop. For is a keyword, then two braces, initializing, then condition, and then update. So initializing, execute one at the beginning and the initialize this loop control variable. Condition, check before each iteration. If false, then loop terminates. Update, executed after each iterations and usually increments or decrements the loop control variable. The second loop is while loop. The while loop in Java repeats a block of code as long a specialized condition is true. Its syntax is so simple. Then while loop and then brackets a condition. The loop continue iterating as long as the condition remain true. If the condition evaluates to false initially, the loop will be not execute. The third loop in Java is a do while loop. This loop is not famous in Java. The do while loop is similar to the while loop, but with one critical difference. If grants that the block of code is executed at least once even if the condition is initially false. The syntax of the do while loop is a do, then condition, execution, then condition and increment decrement. In the loop, the condition is evaluated at the end of the each iteration. If it evaluation is to true the loop conditions, otherwise it terminates. Iterative statement is a practice. Iterative statement final application is a various programs scenario including processing arrays and collection. Loop are used to traverse array list, maps, and other class structures, allowing the manipulations and analysis of their elements. Input validations. Loops enable the continuous validations of user input util valid data is entered, improving the robustness of a program. Control structure. Iterative statements control the flow of programming execution, allowing the certain block of code to be executed repeatedly based on the specific condition. Algorithms implementations. Many algorithms such as sorting and searching algorithms really on the iterative constructions for efficient transfer and manipulations of data. Best, best practice of the considerations while using the iterative statement is critical to, to another to best the practice to ensure code readability, efficiency, and maintainability. Clear termination Clear termination condition ensure the loops have well-defined terminations conditions to prevent any infinite loops which can crash a programs. Optimization minimize the unnecessary computations which loops to improve the performance, especially in the scenario involving the large da- large data code reusability while loop that are easy to understand and maintain using the descriptive variable name and appropriate the intonations. Avoid a nesting too deep. Executing nesting executing executing the nesting loops can make a code complex and difficult to debug. Consider the refactoring nested loop into the separate methods for a better readability. Thank you so much guys for watching my video.